You're opening up this pack, this is the card you want. We have that card. It's going to Kayla. Kayla, congratulations. Let's make some noise. Let's flip this card. Let's take a look, folks. Oh! A bird! A doctor! And a man named Magic! Looks like we got a little bit of wax off the front there on the doctor. I believe that'll come right off of Magic. Yup, that's just a little bit of a dust right there on Magic. I believe that's just some dust right there on the top of Bird as well. That's some pretty good centering if you ask me. Maybe a little bit more right than left. Top and bottom though, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Oh man, let's sleeve it up. Let's sleeve it up. Right into the card saver it goes. A Larry Bird, a Julius Erving, and a Magic Johnson. Oh! Oh! Bird! Dr. J! Magic Johnson! Oh yeah!
That looks good!
That's a pretty good looking card if you ask me! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! The hick from French Lick, Larry Bird. Number 6 of the Philadelphia 76ers. And the scoring leader at 26.9 points per game, Dr. Julius Erving. And the one and only, the greatest point guard to ever walk the face of planet Earth, Ervin Magic Johnson. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 139 Magic Johnson, 174 Philadelphia 76ers scoring leader, and card 34 Larry Bird.